Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials: Node, JS, a code editor, and a lightweight local server. Create your project folder and 3 files: index, HTML main, JS styles, CSS, then link them. Define core mechanics on paper, player, controls, collision, scoring, because concrete choices reduce refactor time. Once done, initialize npm so you can add build tools later. Start a simple canvas in index, HTML, and render a placeholder player object. This immediately proves the loop and gives you a working baseline to expand. You now implement the core loop in systems. Use request animation frame and an update, delta, plus render cycle so motion stays smooth across devices. Add input handling that decouples reading keys from applying movement, then build a simple entity system with components for position, velocity, and sprite. Introduce basic physics and bounding collisions to keep gameplay coherent. Make modules or classes and an asset loader for images/sounds so your code stays maintainable. Once done, wire a state manager for menu, play, and pause. You finish by polishing visuals, adding UI and sound, and tuning difficulty using measurable metrics like spawn rate or enemy HP. Optimize performance with sprite atlases, minimize draw calls, and cap heavy updates. Make sure to test at different resolutions and on mobile with touch controls. Deploy a static build to a host or CDN after bundling assets. If you hit a show-stopping bug, use binary isolation. Disable systems one at a time until the error vanishes, then inspect the last changed module to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.